Today we are doing exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ equal 5 centimeter and ZX equal 6 centimeter. Here you can see all three sides are different. So it is a scalene triangle. Now let's draw this. Here you can see XY 4.5 centimeter. First of all, we will draw using ruler. And after that, you can see it is given YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX equals to 6 centimeter. So first of all, understand this from where we are required to make arcs. अब ये YZ दिया हुआ है. So here you can see Y is on the line but Z is not on the line, so this YZ arc we will take from Y. In ZX you can see X is here but Z is not there, so we will draw this arc from X, 6 centimeter arc. Now YZ is 5 centimeter, so take 5 centimeter in your compass first. Now this 5 centimeter we have taken, this is YZ, so this arc will be from Y. So from Y we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Now here you can see I have drawn 5 centimeter. Now here you can see ZX is 6 centimeter. So we will take 6 centimeter in your compass. Now here this is 6 centimeter and this is ZX. So we will draw it from X. Now this arc, now here you can see this point is point Z. Now we will join this Y to Z and this X to Z. Now you should label it XZ is 6 centimeter and YZ is 5 centimeter. So this is the answer of your question. In this type you are required to draw this. This is question number 2. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. And you know that equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Then here side should be 5.5 centimeter. Now let's draw it. Now in question number 2, before drawing this figure, you are required to understand equilateral triangle again. This we have told you in the previous videos and previous explanation also. Equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all sides are of equal length. तो हमें ये पता है कि इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में सारी साइड्स जो होती हैं वो इक्वल लेंथ की होंगी. इट इज गिवन यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल, साइड इज 5.5 centimeter. So first of all, here we will draw side of 5.5 centimeter from 0, then this is 5.5. Now name is not given, so we can give name it as XY. Any name we can give it. Now this is equilateral triangle, so all sides will be of equal length. So this is 5.5 centimeter and the all left two sides are also of 5.5 centimeter. So we have taken this 5.5 centimeter in compass. Here you can see now this 5.5 in our compass. Now make one arc from Y and the other arc from X. Now you can see this point is called here Z. Now we will join this X, this Y to Z first, and after that this X to Z. Now here you can see this is also 5.5 centimeter and this is also 5.5 centimeter. Now all the sides are equal and the triangle which is formed is equilateral triangle. Question number 3. Draw triangle PQR with PQ equal 4 centimeter, QR equal 3.5 centimeter and PR equal 4 centimeter. Now after drawing there is one more question. What type of triangle is this? So here you can see all the three sides are different. That's why this is a scalene triangle. Now question number 3, triangle PQR we are required to draw. So first of all we will draw PQ, which is 4 centimeter. So this is PQ. Now we will write P and it will be Q and it is 4 centimeter. Now after drawing PQ, more sides are also given like QR, this is 3.5 centimeter, and PR, it is 4 centimeter. So here you can see QR means we will draw from Q, क्योंकि यहाँ पे R नहीं दिया हुआ है, P और Q दिया है तो ये Q से बनाएंगे, और this PR from P, ये P से बनाएंगे because R is not given here. So we will draw PR from P and QR from Q. Then take 3.5 centimeter, this length in your compass, 3.5 centimeter, and this 3.5 is QR. So we will draw 3.5 from Q, arc of 3.5 from Q. Now this is the arc, and after this PR 4 centimeter. Now take 4 centimeter in your compass, and this is PR. So we will draw this 4 centimeter from P. Now this 4 centimeter we are required to draw from P. Take again. Now this. Now here you can see this point is R. Now join this P to R and this Q to R. Now here PR is 4 centimeter and QR is 3.5 centimeter. Now one more question is there in this question, that what type of triangle is this? So you can see all three sides, two sides are same and one side is different. That's why it is isosceles triangle, because in isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. That's why it is isosceles triangle. Now question number 4, construct triangle ABC such that AB equal 2.5 centimeter, BC equal 6 centimeter, AC equal 6.5 centimeter. And after drawing this triangle ABC, you are required to measure angle B, and this measurement of angle you will take using protractor. Now let's draw this. This is question number 4. Here you are required to draw a triangle ABC in which AB is 2.5. So first of all we will draw AB. This is 2.5. Now write it B, it is A, this is 2.5 centimeter, and two which are given, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now here BC, C point is not there in the line, so we will draw BC from B, and AC, C point is again not there, so we will draw this AC from A. Now take 6 centimeter in your compass. Now we are taking 6 centimeter, and this 6 centimeter is BC, so we will draw it from B. Draw 6 centimeter from B. Now we will draw 6 centimeter from B, this arc, and 6.5. This 6.5 from A. Now from A we will draw 6.5. Now here you can see this point is point C. Now we will join this B to C and then this A to C. Here we will write this is 6.5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Now one more question is there, measure this angle B, this angle. So we will measure angles using this is called protractor. So here we will measure this point should lie on this point. So we will put it. Now you can see this is exactly 90 degree. This is exactly 90 degree angle. So here we will write angle B is equal to 90 degree.